Hey traders, hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And right here, what do we have? So price just broke below the triangle pattern, and right here that was an entry. Like mentioned yesterday, that would be an aggressive entry, but that did not play out, and that would be a stop loss hit as well if you have entered right here within this triangle pattern. Like I mentioned, it is a risky entry, but we had some good trades out of these pattern in the past, but that did not play out at this point. But we do have a level of trend continuation that was mentioned in my last couple of videos sent to my members as well for the possible bounce up from. Now at this point, it is just a minor level. If the price forms a strong bullish engulfer, must be a candle that fully engulfs the previous red candle, including the wick as well. If that happens, we'll have a buy signal, or on minor levels, if you would like to go in a less aggressive way, which is a double bottom, in that case that would be a good entry as well. Stop loss can be below take profit 1-to-1 initially. Now I'm going to give you a heads up here that I won't be holding on with my trade. Yes, you can move your stop loss to break even if you want to manage it, but for now I'm just expecting a bounce, and it is really important that price must break above 50 EMA for the further continuation towards this recent top. So after a bounce, let's say we have a condition, I will only look for a bounce, exit, take my 1 ATR initial targets and manage it to 2 ATR or 1.4 to 1 is totally up to you. Initial targets will be always 1 ATR for me, especially for commodities. Once that happens, I will exit and see if we have broken above 50 EMA or not. Once we have broken above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my next buy condition. That will be my pullback entries, bullish only. So I have these zones on the charts. This minor zone, it is right here, 2.498, that goes up to 2.631, and that is also a level that is aligning with 20 EMA on daily time frame, that from where we can get a possible bounce up from. But conditions are really important. I'm not taking any trades without any condition. So once we have a condition, minor level again, if we have that, we can get a bounce till 50 EMA, and then we need to see a break above 50 EMA for the possible continuation till the recent top. So wait for that. We are still in an uptrend, not broken below this level. Once we are broken below this level, only then we're going to start to look for complete bearish trades. At this point, as now we are broken below 50 EMA, and let's say we have no condition within this zone and price just give a normal pullback. If we have that pullback below 50 EMA, price forms a bearish engulfer, I'm going to go for my sell trade short term only. I will use my 1 to 2 ATR target. So that is what I'll be also looking at, as now we are broken below 50 EMA, so we can look for short term sell trade for the scalp as well. Here on OANDA, we are inside the zone and exactly the same. We are looking for the condition like bullish engulfers, double bottoms. If there is no condition with a pullback bearish engulfer, we're going to go for sell trade for short term only. Next buy trades will be only once we have a good confirmation here, or we are completely broken above 50 EMA. Only then we are looking at this recent top. So wait for that. Once we have conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Here the price opened in rollover. If you have entered here on this platform, that has gone in your favor, and price just opened up in gap. Now we are pulling down. That might be a gap fill, and at this point here on this platform, the price, let's say, formed a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. In that case, we'll have a buy signal, but that will be a weak buy signal, as the price did not make any new highs and pulling back down. So it will be still a signal as the price is above 50 EMA. Bullish engulfer can give us a little bounce, and then we want to see a price to break above this high for the continuation trades towards the upside and the level above in red. Otherwise, I still have this level right here, 2.325, that goes up to 2.483, from where I'll be looking at my possible condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. So wait for that. Once we have a conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Next up, we have gold. Gold is nicely pushed down from our termination zone that has been mentioned yesterday. Now we had no condition, but that still pushed lower. If you look at this bearish engulfer, that is not one of my valid entry, even though that pushed down, but that push down was expected, and we are now pushing lower. At this point, we are at this termination zone. My next sell entry will only happen if we are completely broken below this termination box right here, as you can see the number in blue, with a close that itself an entry, stop loss above, take profit can 1-to-1 initially. But I'm also looking at gold and silver ratio. Now looking at the gold and silver ratio has broken below the level of support and heading towards a next major level, which is right here, the number you see in blue. If the price continue to push lower, in that case the price will continue to push higher on silver and gold. Silver is faster according to the ratio. Gold has pushed lower, but silver did not make a nice push down. As you can see on silver, just made a little push down as compared with gold. But we are still at this top. So at this point, if the price continues to push lower in ratio, we have a likely chance the price here on silver will likely push up and hit a level above in red, which is right here, the number you can see in blue, from where we can look for the counter trend trade like bearish engulfers with double top entry pattern, inverted hammers, and 382 candle bearish is also one of my entry conditions. So that is what I'll be looking at for my next buy trade. I want to see a complete break above this high, and then I'll start to look for the pullback and pullback entry bullish till we are in this level above in red. So that is what I'll be looking at here on gold and silver. For gold, my next sell trade will be only once we are completely broken below this low, and then the less aggressive way with the pullback bearish engulfing pattern till we are in this zone. But if the ratio start to push lower, we have a chance that gold will push up and shoot up above 50 EMA. If that happens, if there is no condition here and the price push up above 50 EMA, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish. So I'm staying away from gold until I see a clear and good condition, which will be a break above 50 EMA for the next continuation for the buy trades, break above this zone for the complete bearish confirmation, and I'm going to look for my bearish trade. So that's what I'll be looking at. Wait and see how the price action forms. For silver, we are looking at the level above. For the gold, we are waiting for the price to break above 50 EMA for the next continuation buy trades only. Lastly, we have crude oil. Has now broken above. At this point, the price just made a new high above this previous high. Now, here on crude oil, if the price, let's say, forms a red and a bigger green candle, that is an engulfing candle, that will be a buy signal. Targets can be 1 ATR only. Initially, you can manage it accordingly. That's totally up to you. But if you have a bullish signal above 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, the price will likely push up and keep on making high rise and start to push up in a new trend till we are in the level above, which I'm going to mention once I see a good momentum here on crude oil. We do have a level above right here, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. But before that, I want to see a good momentum and wait and see if the price forms some sort of signal. If you have a signal like bullish engulfer, smaller red, and a bigger green candle above 50 EMA, in that case, I'm going to take my long trades. Not taking any sell trades as long as we are now above 50 and 20 EMA. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If you have, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.